Well, good day again, and welcome to Search for Signs. My name is Gary Willing, and I want to just briefly, before I get started, remind those people who have heard these videos before, point out to those people who are totally new to this information that if you want to know more about Maitreya and the Masters of Wisdom, look into it, read more about it for yourself by checking out some of the information on some of the sites that I provided links for in the description portion of these videos. If you want to know more about Benjamin Creme's paintings, I have 4 new links that you can check out and get more information about his paintings, because his paintings are quite wonderful, and that's what we're going to talk about today. But the first link is the Benjamin Creme Museum. It's run by a very dear friend of mine in Southern California, so if you ever want to check out Benjamin Creme's paintings in real life, or IRL as texters would say, then check it out. If you want to possibly look into buying one of his lithographs, there's a link for that too. And then I have included 2 video links where Benjamin Creme talks for about an hour about his paintings. There's part 1 and part 2. So hopefully you'll check it out. Now let's get on into this one. What is this painting entitled, and what did it mean, and why did Ben paint it in the way that he did? It's entitled Unity in Diversity. So what did he say? Everyone longs for unity, the oneness of all being. That is why we join groups and political parties. Equally, everyone treasures their individualism, the glorious gift of the Piscean experience. Now at the beginning of the Aquarian experience, that individuality is humanity's greatest danger as it breaks down the underlying unity of men and nations. Humanity has to learn the idea of unity in diversity, in which the sacred individuality of each person and nation is put at the service of the whole. Unity and diversity, therefore, is the way ahead for humanity. The energies of Aquarius, of synthesis, will bring this into being. This mandala symbolizes this truth. In a simple square shape, 2 greens make up a pattern that counter each other and create a dynamic that takes the viewer around and around, while the center yellow circle holds it all together. Symbolically, the reds and the greens symbolize diversity, and the inner circle depicts unity. On the color wheel, red and green are opposites, and therefore complement each other, just as opposite signs of the zodiac can be totally different in character, but can relate harmoniously while sometimes resulting in friction. This is reflected also in our solar system, with a diverse group of planets, all totally unique, bound together by their dependence on a central sun. Unity in diversity.